Hi, come on in. Today I'm going to show you how to make slip knot and chain stitch. I'm using a double knitting wool with a 4mm hook, but you can use any wool with the relevant crochet hook size. So take your wool, put it across your hand, loop your wool at the front, take your hook, put it through your wool, through that loop, take the wool, put it around your hook, pull it through the loop and pull it tight, just like that. Don't take it too tight, you want to be able to move your hook quite easily, otherwise it'll make it hard to crochet into. Hold your wool. Now, whatever is comfortable for you, I tend to hold it by putting the wool across my little finger, under my ring finger, over my middle finger, under my index finger, and holding it like that. So that way I've got it looped over and holding it here at the front. Helps with your tension. To make your first chain, put the wool around your hook and pull it through the loop on your hook. So wool around your hook and pull it through the loop on your hook. Around and pull it through. And that gives us our first 3 chain stitch. So 1, 2 and 3. You don't count the one on your hook. Wool around your hook and pull it through. And you keep doing that until you have the recommended number of chain that you want for your project. I do have more tutorials on the channel. Those ones are on the channel so that you can learn how to do those stitches. Thank you for joining me and keeping me company, and I'll see you in the next one.